Hello, guys. What if the key to a life you love is simpler than you think? Close your eyes for a moment and picture this. It's late, you're sprawled across your bed, doom scrolling, feeling like your days are slipping away. You're working hard, grinding, but it's like you're running in place. No progress, no passion. You're like Mia, a 28-year-old marketing assistant. Her dreams of becoming a novelist buried under emails and distractions. Deep down, you know you're capable of more impact, more fulfillment, more you. What if one powerful idea could unlock that potential? That's Deep Work by Newport, a book that reveals how to master focused effort and create a life of meaning. Let's follow Mia's journey and uncover 5 transformative lessons to reclaim your focus and build a career you love, starting today. Mia was overwhelmed. At 28, she spent her days in a chaotic office, juggling campaigns, meetings, and a buzzing phone. At night, she'd try to write her novel, but notifications and exhaustion won. Her characters, vivid detectives, intricate mysteries, lived only in her head. "I'll never finish," she'd sigh, refreshing extra likes on a post about her writing life. Her days blurred. Work, scroll, sleep, repeat. She felt stuck, like her potential was locked away. Then, one quiet Sunday, she found Deep Work on a colleague's desk. She started reading, and it was like a wake-up call. This wasn't just a productivity book. It was a blueprint for reclaiming her mind. Through Deep Work's principles, Mia transformed her life. Here are 5 lessons that changed everything for her and can change everything for you. Lesson 1. Embrace deep work, the art of intense focus. Deep work is the ability to focus without distraction on cognitively demanding tasks, producing rare and valuable results. Newport compares it to a superpower in our distracted world. Think of a master carpenter crafting intricate furniture in a quiet workshop. For Mia, it started with a reality check. She loved writing but spent hours on shallow tasks, emails, social media. Deep Work challenged her to prioritize. She blocked off 1 hour each morning, phone off, laptop in do not disturb mode. She wrote 500 words daily, rough but real. After a month, she had a 15,000-word draft. A literary magazine published her short story for $300. That one fueled her. Her deep work was storytelling. You don't need to overhaul your life. Identify one high-value task: coding, designing, strategizing. Schedule 30 minutes tomorrow, no distractions. What's one thing you can focus on deeply this week? Lesson 2. Eliminate distractions. Guard your attention. Distraction is the enemy of depth. Newport argues that constant interruptions, like notifications or multitasking, fracture your ability to do meaningful work. Mia's phone was a black hole: X, emails, group chats. Deep Work inspired her to set boundaries. She deleted social apps from her phone during work hours and used a website blocker for her writing sessions. At first, she felt antsy, but soon, her focus sharpened. One evening, she wrote a 2,000-word chapter that landed her a $1,000 contract with a small publisher. Her clarity wasn't just productive, it was liberating. Think about your biggest distraction: phone, TV chatter. Try one change. Silence notifications for an hour, or leave your phone in another room. What's one distraction you can cut tomorrow to protect your focus? Lesson 3. Build a deep work ritual. Make focus a habit. Consistency breeds mastery. Deep Work emphasizes rituals to make focused effort automatic. Newport cites writers who work in distraction-free cabins. Mia's life was hectic: late nights, skipped breakfast, no structure. The book pushed her to create a morning routine. 10 minutes of meditation to clear her mind, 5 minutes reviewing her novel's outline, and 45 minutes writing. After 2 weeks, she was calmer, sharper. Her chapters grew richer, earning her a $2,500 advance for a novella. Those 60 minutes became her anchor. Start small. Try a 15-minute ritual, 5 minutes planning your day, 10 minutes on a passion project. Stick with it for a week. Maybe it's reading or practicing a skill. What's one ritual you can try to ground your focus? Lesson 4. Train your brain, build mental stamina. Deep work is like a muscle. It strengthens with practice. Newport suggests treating focus like a gym session, gradually increasing intensity. Mia used to write in 10-minute bursts, distracted by every ping. Deep work taught her to stretch her attention. She started with 30-minute sessions, then 60, then 90. She'd set a timer, close her eyes for a deep breath, and dive in. 1 month in, she could focus for 2 hours straight. Her novel's first draft, 50,000 words, was done in 4 months, landing her an agent. That stamina changed how she saw herself. Your brain could grow stronger, too. Pick a task and focus for 20 minutes without stopping. Add 5 minutes each week. Maybe it's studying or creating. What's one way you can train your focus this week? Lesson 5. Protect your time. Say no to shallow work. Not all work is equal. Deep work stresses prioritizing tasks that create lasting value over shallow busyness. Mia was drowning in low-impact tasks, endless emails, pointless meetings. The book gave her permission to say no. She negotiated with her boss to batch admin tasks into one afternoon, freeing mornings for writing. She politely declined happy hours to protect her creative time. That discipline paid off. Her novel sold for a $10,000 advance, and she quit her job to write full-time. Deep work didn't just give me a book, Mia says. It gave me my life. You can reclaim your time, too. Identify one low-value task, scrolling, over-checking email, and cut it by half. Say no to one distraction this week. What's one thing you could deprioritize to make room for deep work? Your turn to master deep work. Deep work isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter, with focus and intention. Cal Newport offers a practical, powerful guide to a life of impact and fulfillment. Here's your challenge. Tomorrow, spend 10 minutes identifying one deep work task, something that could move your career or passion forward. Create a 15-minute focus ritual for 7 days. 5 minutes planning, 10 minutes doing. Grab deep work, discount link below, or sketch a distraction-free schedule. If this sparks something, like subscribe and comment. What's one task you'd love to focus on deeply? Let's reclaim our attention and build lives that matter together. Until next time, your focus is your superpower. Take one step, guard your time, and watch your life transform. Your deepest work is waiting. Start today and let every moment count. Thanks.